Hello, welcome back to Nourish Well. Today's topic is yoga for beginners, introducing the latest video series for yoga from today. So subscribe to the channel and join. Yoga is a fantastic practice that blends physical exercise, mental clarity, and emotional balance. If you're new to yoga, this guide will help you understand its benefits, address common concerns, and provide a step-by-step plan for getting started. Yoga, a centuries-old practice, is an excellent way to enhance your physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Its simplicity and versatility make it perfect for beginners. Whether your goal is to increase flexibility, reduce stress, or simply explore a new fitness routine, yoga is for everyone. Starting yoga may seem intimidating, but you don't need prior experience or exceptional flexibility. All you need is an open mind, a yoga mat, and the desire to learn. Benefits of yoga for beginners. 1. Improved flexibility. Even a few weeks of yoga can help loosen tight muscles and increase your range of motion. This is especially beneficial if you spend hours sitting or working in one position. 2. Stress relief yoga focuses on breathing techniques and mindfulness, helping to reduce stress and calm your mind. Practices like deep breathing and meditation can lower cortisol levels and improve your mood. 3. Better posture. Regular yoga sessions strengthen your core and back muscles, leading to better posture and reduced back pain. Increased strength yoga might not seem intense, but poses like downward dog, plank, and warrior can help build muscle strength without weights. 5. Enhanced focus. Through mindfulness, yoga trains your mind to focus better, boosting productivity and concentration in daily life. 6. Improved sleep. Yoga's calming effects on the nervous system can lead to better sleep quality, helping you wake up refreshed and energized. Beginner-friendly yoga poses. To start your yoga journey, try these easy poses. 1. Child's pose, Balasana, a resting pose to stretch your lower back and hips. 2. Cat-cow stretch, Marjaryasana Bitilasana, improves spine flexibility and warms up the body. 3. Mountain pose, Tadasana, enhances posture and alignment. 4. Downward dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana, strengthens arms, legs, and core. 5. Tree pose, Vrksasana, improves balance and strengthens legs. Spend 30 seconds to 1 minute in each pose, focusing on your breathing. Tips for a successful yoga practice. 1. Find a quiet space. Choose a clutter-free area where you can focus. 2. Wear comfortable clothing. Opt for stretchy, breathable fabrics. 3. Practice consistently. Aim for at least 3 sessions per week. 4. Listen to your body. Never push into pain. Yoga is about tuning into your body's needs. 5. Join a class or online session. Beginners benefit from guidance to ensure proper alignment and technique. Conclusion: starting yoga as a beginner is an exciting step towards a healthier, more balanced life. With consistent practice, patience, and an open mind, you'll soon reap yoga's incredible benefits. Remember, yoga is a journey, not a destination. Every stretch and breath is a victory. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Nourish Well to get more health tips.